Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper on laptop HP. So first step, you need to search for the settings of your PC and click on open, or you can do that on laptop. So I'm doing that on laptop. Then you simply need to click on personalization and click on background, and here you can see recent images. You can click here, you can select pictures, solid color, slideshow and Windows spotlight, so it is up to you. So pictures are like this, solid colors are like this, and slideshow you can upload multiple images and you can select the duration after how many minutes your image change. So I'm going to select the picture, and for this video I'm going to select this one. Wait for a few seconds, and now you can see that it is changed. So this is the process that you need to follow to change wallpaper on laptop HP. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.